Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty. You don't know who I am, I'm Nima, and this is my channel. So I noticed that I do have a few new subscribers, so hi and welcome. Today I'm going to do a look based on one of my comments that I've seen by Andrea Dillon, and she said Kane's Mediterranean combo with the Riviera palette. I'm just going to read the comment, then I'm going to talk. She said, Kane's a Mediterranean combo, please and thank you. Those shades would look gorgeous on you. So I'm going to create a look with those two colors from this palette. I might throw in an extra color just because, I don't know. But she wants Kane's and this one's Mediterranean. So I'm going to be creating a look today with those two shades. So let's hop right into it. I already what's the word I'm looking for? I pre-primed my eyelids. So I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush. I think this brush is going a little crooked. Okay, well anyways, and I'm going to be taking Kane's. Yep, we're just going to hop right into it. And I'm just going to be dabbing this on my lid. I'm going to make this my lid color. And it's Father's Day when I'm filming this, so you guys out there, I don't know. I just know it's Father's Day. And I'm getting ready to hang out with my family. I don't know. Ooh, I do know this. I am going to be, this coming up week, posting 4th of July eyeshadow looks. So get your red, your silver, and your navy blue eyeshadows ready. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm just winging this. I didn't have a plan. I didn't have an idea. I mean, I looked at the colors last night because I was curious which color she was talking about in this palette. And, yeah. And now I'm just kind of throwing it all on. I just kind of put that all over my lid. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. But whatever I do, it's going to work. It's going to look gorgeous. But you never know. Oh, and I'm sniffling. My allergies officially kicked in, so I'm like, all the time. So there is Kane's. Next, I'm going to be taking, I know I'm going to use Mediterranean, but I'm not sure where yet. Let's go ahead and put Mediterranean I guess in my crease. We'll make it the crease color. This look is being thrown together just like by me staring at this palette. I have, I'm liking that. And just put it all over my upper lid too, might as well. And we'll go back in with some more, get this eye going. And I feel like I need something in my crease, like, I don't know yet. We're just gonna dust that all off. The inner tear duct because I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. So I've been using the same brush, but as I've been doing this, I've been wiping any extra powder off. My brush does look stained, but then again, I did use dark colors. So yeah, we're gonna just dab the white in my inner corner. The white in this palette is called Sails. So I know I was doing that, and it's just gonna kind of like lighten up the colors that I already put down and just make them brighter feeling, I guess. Yeah. So far there's our eye look. I want something else in this. but I'm not sure what. I need like a color right. I don't know if I need something here or just in this outer corner. This look is taking like, it's not actually that bad. This video is already like 7 minutes and I try to keep them under 5, so I'm only like 2 over, so that's not too bad. Take Inherent, and I'm just gonna put this on. I know what I gotta do first. I lied. I need to prime my under eye so this actually sticks. I've noticed that sometimes I don't prime right here, and then my eyeshadows don't last all day like they do on my lid. So we'll take and gently prime right there. Dropping everything, and just drop the lid to the primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Inherent and put that down. So just get some on your brush, and you're just gonna gently just dab it away. Yeah, I'm liking that. I feel like that's kind of pulling this look together. Okay, so that is that for this eye look. I am now gonna be right back. I'm gonna put eyeliner on, mascara, and finish my face. So I will see you in like 30 seconds. I'm back, just finished doing my full face. So yeah, this is our finished makeup look. And I just paired it with the nudist lip that, this one's a little pinkier than my nude lip, but it's very similar to actually my lip shade. So it's a good nude for my lips. Like it's the same shade as my lips basically is what I'm trying to get at. Just a tiny pinch darker, which I like. Well, anyways, it is the Stella lipstick and Pan Patina. Can you guys read that? So this is our finished look, and I hope you guys like it. And if you guys want to see other looks with other palettes, just put whatever shades you like down in the comments below and I'll work it out. But like I said, this coming up week, I'm going to be doing a lot of 4th of July themed makeup, so be prepared for that. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!